how to check credit score on Nedbank app. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can check credit scores on Nedbank app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Nedbank app on your mobile and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. So when you are inside of the app, swipe to the right once in the main menu and you will be able to see the financial wellness dashboard. In there, select My Smart Money and you will be able to manage all of your spending habits. As you can see, you will be able to change the dates, see your spending habits, your budget, and your saving goals. From this page, you can monitor your score at any time and meet goals as necessary. Like I said, you can change the date at the top of the screen, and as long as you access this page and you manage your credit score through here. So that's how you can check credit scores on Nedbank app. That's all for this video.